Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is going to be a bit different because it is a combination of strings and arrays. It is a medium level question. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the question directly and understand how we are going to solve that. Okay. So basically we are given two kind of arrays. One is an array of strings and the other is an array of int. Okay. So let me take the first example only, GP G. Okay, this is an array of strings that we are given. So we have these kind of strings given to us with only three kind of characters and another array of int. So what these characters are exactly? So we are given three kind of characters. Okay, G represents glass, P represents paper, and M represents metal. Okay, now what is this exactly? These are garbages. Okay, and let's say these are the houses. Okay, for example, just for example purpose, so at each house we have a different kind of garbage. Okay, for zero house we have glass garbage, for first we have paper garbage, for second house we have a combination of both glass and paper garbage, and for the third house we have two glass garbages. Okay. So this is the first thing, this is the the first array, and the second array that we have, that is the time. What kind of time? The time taken to travel from one house to another. What does it mean? Like if I want to travel from 0 to first house, it will take two minutes. Okay, from 1 to 2 it will take 4 minutes, and from 2 to 3 it will take 3 minutes. Okay, these are the minutes. And one more thing that we need to take care here is that while picking up this garbage, it takes 1 minute. Okay, so if I will say here, let me remove this. Okay, so to pick a garbage from this house, it will take 1 minute, but here it will take 2 minutes. Here also it will take 2 minutes. Okay, so for each character it is taking 1 minute of time to pick up the garbage. Okay, now we have three kind of trucks. Similarly, one is garbage collecting, one is glass collecting, one is paper collecting, and one is metal collecting. Now the catch over here is that at any particular time only one truck can travel and other two cannot travel. Okay, so like it can be like this as well, and it can be like this as well. Okay, now we need to find the minimum number of time taken by each overall taken to collect all the garbages. Okay, so this is the question that is asked. Now let's jump into the solution, like how are we going to approach it. Okay, now if you will see here, we have three kind of trucks, that's okay, G, P and M. Now while this is collecting glass garbage, the paper and metal garbage trucks are doing nothing. So at that particular time we will only consider glass garbage truck. Okay, and moreover, apart from this, we need to take care of one more thing, that is, after this first truck, let's say glass garbage truck, okay, after it completes one whole array and collects all the garbages from the array, okay, the second truck, whatever it is, it can be P, like the paper garbage truck or metal garbage truck, it will start from starting position only. It will never start from anywhere from the beginning. So this array that is given to us doesn't exactly make any sense. Okay, because here we are given intermediate distances or time. Okay, but we want the time taken from the beginning. Why is that? Because let me remove this and rewrite it again. So it was G, P, GP and GG. So if you will see here, okay, the truck will only travel till the last index where the garbage is available. Okay, like here for example, the paper garbage truck will only travel till the second index. Okay, it will not go beyond that because it doesn't make any sense to travel more. Okay, and we need to find the optimized solution here. Okay, the optimal time. Okay, so for that we need to take care, like whatever the distances we are, whatever the time we are taking into consideration, that has to be from the beginning. Okay, not anywhere from the like not everywhere from the middle of the array. Okay, so for that what we'll do is that we will make some changes in this array. Now what kind of changes? Now if you will remember, I have created one video on this running sum of an array. Okay, so this is the same thing. First index is going to remain as it is, and after that we will keep on adding to the previous element, whatever the element we found overall. So first we have 4 over here. Okay, so 4 plus 2, that is 6. 3 plus 6, that is 9. Okay, this is the array that we require over here. Okay, and apart from this we will take care of the last index of whatever the garbage we have found. Okay, so for paper, if you will see, the last index is 2. For glass we have the last index as 3. Okay, for metal we do not have any garbage for metal, so we will keep it as 0. Okay, and after that for each garbage truck we will start looking into the time it has taken to reach this position. Okay, so for second index, how much time it took? It was 2 and then 4, that is 6. That is here, that is p minus 1. Okay, and this we will add to whatever, to let's say x. Now what is this x? Let me show you over here. Now every time we are when we are going through this array, okay, we need to take into consideration that to pick up one garbage, it takes 1 minute of time. Okay, to pick up this we need 1 minute of time, and that is going to remain constant. Okay, so for that what we'll do is that we will, when we are checking for these indexes, okay, when we are checking for these indexes, we will also take care of the time it takes to collect all these garbages. Now what these garbages this time is going to be equal to, it is going to be the total number of characters that we have, because for this also we are taking 1 minute of time, for this also, this and this. So overall, let me write it as time. Overall the time taken is 1 2 3 4 5 6 minutes. Okay, so this x is nothing but this 6. Okay, 6 plus whatever it is. Okay, and the same thing we'll do to glass as well and metal as well. Okay, it's that simple. So let's jump into the code. I hope this was easy for you to understand. It will be more easy when you look at the code. Okay, so where is that? Yeah, so the first thing that we require over here is our variables, right? So let me create that. So first things that we require is paper, that is 0. Then we have glass, that is 0. Then we have metal, that is also 0. And we have our finally the time, that is the total time that we are going to take, okay, to collect all the garbages. Now let's go through our garbage array. Okay, garbage dot size. Okay, and in garbage we'll be going through each character. Okay, so for that what I'll do is for character C in garbage at index I. Okay, here we will check if C is equal to P. If it is equals to P, then what we'll do is we'll update the index of paper. Okay, that is equals to I. Else, if this character, if that is equals to G, then we'll update the index of glass. Else, if this character that is equals to M, then we will update the index of metal, and every time we encounter a character we will increment our time variable. Okay, after this we need to change our travel array as well. Okay, as you can see here, this is of no use to us, we need to convert it to this one. Okay, so what I'll do is we'll be doing running sum of array. Okay, so for that it is very simple. Travel at I plus equals to travel I minus 1. Okay, once all this is done, we need to check, we need to add to our time. What? If you will remember, we are going till the second array. Okay, so for P we are going till the second array, so it to come till the point 2, it has covered 2 plus 4, that is 6, that is P minus 1. Okay, so we need to add that. So in here it is also possible that we encounter, like if you will see here, we encounter a 0 over here. Okay, but if you will see, we are doing minus 1. So if we do 0 minus 1, that it will give minus 1, and this will result in array index out of bound. Okay, so we don't want that. So for that, what we'll add a condition over here. Okay, like if P is equals to 0, then we'll add 0 to the time. Otherwise, what will add? Travel of paper minus 1. Also here it will be paper. Okay, and the same thing, the completely same thing I'm going to do 2 more time. Okay, this is going to be glass. Okay, this is also going to be glass. Okay, wait. Okay, better. This is going to be metal, and this is also going to be metal. Okay, so our task is done. Now our time is ready by now, so let us return this, the total amount of time, and let me submit this. Sorry, what? Okay, sorry. Okay, it is better now. Okay, so you can see, if you can see here, it is really that simple. Okay. So I hope you understood this, and you were able to learn to solve these kind of question. Okay, and yeah, so I know the speed was really slow over here, and it is going to be like this for a couple of other videos, because I have been hearing a lot of reviews that since the beginning, since the starting from of medium level questions, my pace has been a little fast. Okay, so I'm trying to slow down a bit, and so that you understand whatever I'm saying a little bit in a clearer manner. Okay, so let me know if you want this to change, or you want me to make some kind of changes to anything, any style or anything you want, any change, anything you are not able to understand and you want me to make some changes over there. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and do let me know if you have any other suggestions for me to solve from any other platform. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.